Hello, welcome to this presentation. um, where we want to look at the Zimbabwe School Examination Council, the General Certificate of Education Ordinary Level, Mathematics Paper 1. The code is 4004/1. Okay, so we're interested in just a few questions from question 15. Okay, so let's see how best we can solve this question together. Okay, from question 14. Okay, it's question 14. So we have the following question. Given the formula, 1 divided by C is equal to the square root of B minus A. Find the C if A is -4 and B is 21. Okay. So what do we want to do? We want to find C. So we can maintain 1 over C. Then we say square root of B, which is 21, minus A is -4. A is -4. So when we do the substitution, we have 1 over C. This will be equal to the square root of 25. All right? Okay, so this implies that 1 over C is equal to positive or minus this, the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, so basically that's it. Okay, so from here you can just conclude and say, all right, you can multiply both sides of the equation by C if you want, so that this C and this one will divide. So we have 1 is equal to plus or minus 5C. Okay, so to find C, we'll divide by plus or minus 5, plus or minus 5. So therefore, C is equal to 1 over 5, or C is equal to -1 over 5. So that is our answer here. C is 1 over 5, or indeed -1 over 5, right? Yeah, so from here, we are asked to make A the subject of the formula. So we need to refer to our question. So the initial formula is 1 divided by C, that is equal to the root of B minus A. Okay. So now we want to make A the subject of the formula. So what do we do? If you want, we can raise both sides to power 2, because this is the same as B minus A, the power 1 over 2. So when you multiply by 2, it will be able to cancel out. All right? Okay, so what you do on the left-hand side, you usually do it on the other side. So we are going to have 1 divided by 1 over c multiplied by 1 over c. So you have 1 over c squared. So 1 over c squared is equal to b minus a. Okay. So what do we have? Therefore, we are going to have 1 over c squared minus b is equal to negative a. So multiplying both sides by negative 1. So what do we have if you multiply by negative 1? So if you multiply by negative 1, this will be positive. So it will be a will be equal to, if you multiply by negative 1, this will be negative, and this will be positive. So I've got b minus 1 over c squared. And this is your solution. This one is your solution. So we're saying a is equal to b minus 1 divided by c squared. Right. So please, you can subscribe to our channels. That is Kambanpili JM for more lessons. And Chaomba Mbondo, all right. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question 15. Solve the equation 5m minus 3 multiplied by 2m plus 1. So this will come from the zero product rule. That if I multiply two numbers and the product is 0, it simply means either A is 0 or indeed B is equal to 0. The third option is that both A and B are also zeros. All right. So this is 0 and B is equally 0. So from this, we may assume that maybe this is our A and this is our B. So this implies that our A is 5m minus 3 is equal to 0, or it is 2m plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies that 5m will be equal to 0 plus 3. Therefore, 5m is equal to 3. Thus, m, when we divide by 5 both sides, our m will be equal to 3 over 5. Or 2m plus 1, this is 0. This implies that 2m is equal to 0 minus 1. Therefore, 2m is equal to negative 1. Dividing both sides by 2, we have, therefore, m is equal to negative 1 over 2. Okay, so we are saying m is equal to 3 over 5, or m is equal to negative 1 over 2. Let's go to part B. All right. So you may pause the video, try to work it out, see what you're going to get. Compare with my solution. Okay. So we need to solve this equation. Okay. There's several ways of doing it. You can make the numerators the same, therefore these will be the same. Or you can just multiply them like that, meaning that 3 will be multiplied by 3n minus 1. This should give us 2n plus 2. Okay. So when we distribute, we have 9n minus 3 being equal to 2n plus 4. Putting the terms together, right terms together, 9n minus 2n is equal to 4 plus 3. All right? So this will give us 7n being equal to 7. We divide both sides by 7. Therefore, our n is 1. This is our solution. Our n is equal to 1. You get your 3 marks. Okay. All right. The last question for this video. Remember, subscribe and share with your friends to our channels, JM Chaomba Mbondo. All right. So we have two matrices A and B. This is a 2 by 2 matrix. This is a 2 by 1 matrix. Okay. You're able to predict the kind of a matrix that we are going to get. So you'll be able to get the 2 by 1 matrix when we are done. All right. So now, AB will be equal to 2, negative 3, 1, 0, multiplied by 2, 5. So you multiply each row by the column. The first number here with this one, so that will be 2 by 2. Plus the second number here will be multiplied with this. So plus 1 multiplied by 5. That's it. Then we go to the second row. So we have this with that. So negative 3 by 2 plus 0 by 5. All right? What do we get? So you have got 4 plus 5, negative 6 plus 0. And when we add, what is our solution? 9, negative 6 is a 2 by 1 matrix. So 9, negative 6. Get your 2 marks. A inverse. All right. Now, how do we define A inverse or the inverse of A? So the inverse of A is simply 1 divided by determinant of A times its adjoint. All right. So we need to find the determinant of A. Please, others would write it like that, is to find. Okay. What is the determinant of matrix A? The left diagonal, the product of the left diagonal minus the product of the right diagonal. So it will be 0 by 2. So 0 by 2 minus, or you can say 2 by 0. Okay. Then we will go to the right hand side. So to be 3 by negative 1 or 1 by negative 3. So what does it mean? This implies that the determinant of A is 0 minus negative 3. And 0 minus negative 3 is 0 plus 3. Eventually, this will give us 0, 3. This is the determinant of A. Okay. So therefore, the inverse is equal to 1 divided by 3 multiplied by the adjoint. So how do you obtain your adjoint? to do some changes. So the major diagonal, you interchange their positions. All right, so we are going to have 0, 2 with the minor diagonal you multiply by a -1. So this will be +3 and this will be -1. 3, -1. And this is your solution. But if you want to proceed, you can still multiply because this is your scalar. So 1/3 by 0, you have got 0. 1/3 by -1, -1/3. 1/3 by 1/3 by 3, you have 1. 1/3 by 2, you have got 2/3. So this is your solution. All right, and that's where we end for this presentation. Thank you for finding time to watch these videos. You can share with your friends in Zimbabwe. Okay, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.